evening, today's student loans are the focus of oral arguments at the Supreme Court. The justices will decide if President Biden will be allowed to wipe away or reduce student loan debt for millions of Americans. Nicole Smith joins us to explain what Tennessee families need to know.
Hey, good morning, Neil. We talked with a student loan attorney from Mount Juliet who says there are better efforts aiming to help student loan debt, regardless of what the Supreme Court decides. Oral arguments begin today on President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan. Lawyers for 2 individual borrowers in 6 Republican-led states are set to argue that the president's plan is a gross overreach of his executive powers. Last August, Biden announced the plan to cancel billions of dollars in student loans for more than 40 million Americans. The promise would cancel up to $10,000 in student loans for individuals earning less than $125,000 a year and $20,000 if they were also recipients of Pell Grants. Mount Juliet student loan attorney DJ Rasa says people should remember this would only put a dent in a lot of people's debt.
That's the confusion that that really concerned me because, the national average is north of 35,000. And so those folks that think they're going to have this beautiful life moving forward, they're still going to be saddled with arguably 15, right? Or 25, depending. So it's not going to be the savior that that's rolled out, touted to be. That's even if it gets implemented.
The Supreme Court is set to hear oral arguments later this morning, starting at 9 a.m. Central Time. We don't know when our decision will come down, but stick with News 2 and WKRN.com for that update, Nikki.